Folks, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to construct a triangle when given the hypotenuse and one side and one angle rather. So in this case, we'll be constructing a triangle given the hypotenuse and one angle. So all you need to do is you first draw the hypotenuse AB and construct a semicircle on it. So let's draw the hypotenuse. So assuming we have hypotenuse AB, assuming we are given the hypotenuse as let's say 5 centimeters. So let's draw the hypotenuse AB. You can draw it as a horizontal, you can draw it slanted, depends on your choice. So let's draw the hypotenuse AB. Use AB from 1, 2, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll start at 6. So draw a line. This is the hypotenuse. Now the next stage is to draw the given angle BAC. So you have the hypotenuse and you have a given angle, right? So let's assume the given angle is let's say 70 degrees. So let's draw the given angle at A. So this is AB. We'll draw an angle BAC. So let's draw 70 degree. An angle of 70 degree here. So this is it. Here we go. 70 degree. Let's dot it and then let's draw a line through. So you have it here. So the next stage is to join CB to complete the triangle. Now before you do that, you need to construct a semicircle on AB. So let's construct a semicircle on AB. So just divide this to locate the center. There we go. So this is the center of the semicircle. Let's construct the semicircle. So now this semicircle, it crosses that angle 70 degree at C. So this will be our required C, and then all you need to do is you join C to B and thicken your triangle. So let's thicken the triangle. So this is how to draw a triangle when given your hypotenuse and one angle.